one of the top affiliate programs that is also 100% beginner-friendly. The 12-minute affiliate system is an affiliate marketing system that will help you develop your email list in just 12 minutes. It's also created to assist you in marketing a range of items and making money online. While setting up the 12-minute affiliate system can take a long time, the distributors can help you with it. Overall, the 12-minute affiliate method is successful and yields positive results. You will have access to a Facebook community for user help after purchasing the software. The 12-minute affiliate currently promotes ClickBank goods. ClickBank is a well-known marketplace for courses, ebooks, and other programs. Although some of the items on ClickBank are excellent, others are not. This does not negate the platform's legitimacy. The 12-minute affiliate system's developers say that it is beginner-friendly. It's an excellent option for novice internet marketers and those looking to start an online company. The software requires less than 12 minutes to set up and about 12 minutes of work per day, as its name suggests. After that, you'll have a passive income when you're not working or sleeping. Who is the system's inventor? When researching a product, one of the first things to look for is knowledge about the maker. Devin Brown is the genius behind the 12-minute affiliate system. Some people refer to him as @Devin Brown, which is the handle he uses on social media. He is an MC, speaker, blogger, internet entrepreneur, and hip-hop dancer in addition to being the founder of 12-minute affiliate. What is the 12-minute affiliate system and how does it work? The 12-minute affiliate system is more of a plug-and-play system that allows people to quickly raise their commissions. The author believes that by using the device, you will be able to make passive gains that are commensurate with the amount of effort and time you put into it. Here's what you can expect. Checklist for a fast start. This is where it all begins. The Quick Start checklist for the 12-minute affiliate method is made up of 5 basic measures. To set up and personalize the system, follow the 5 steps below. Create a free affiliate account as the first move. You will then receive your autoresponder. Each phase is accompanied by a video. The videos are designed to assist you in successfully completing each level. Devin also gives users the option of having their accounts set up by the customer service team. While the do-it-yourself approach takes just 12 minutes, the support team will take 1 to 2 business days to complete the setup. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you'll have to set it up on your own. The procedure is easy, and it will provide you with valuable experience. You'll be able to quickly modify the program in the future once you understand how it functions. Affiliate Funnels DFY. You'll get access to 30 pre-made affiliate funnels after entering the 12-minute affiliate program, which revolve around 3 in-demand and lucrative niches. There will be 10 funnels for the make money online niche, 10 funnels for health and weight loss, and 10 funnels for personal growth. Bridge, high-converting opt-in, and landing pages are among the funnel's components. From copywriters who know what they're doing. 12-minute affiliate servers make it simple to get started. You'll need to select a template and attach it to your autoresponder to get a funnel up and running. Following that, you must include your affiliate connection and begin sending traffic to it. Professionally written emails from DFY. The 12-minute affiliate system also contains over 240 DFY professionally written emails in addition to the DFY affiliate funnels. The framework provides you with 80 emails per niche, which you can import into your autoresponder. A Weber will drip feed them to your email list for several months after you import them into your autoresponder. The majority of the emails advertise ClickBank items in your niche. They'll also use your ClickBank affiliate links, allowing you to gain more money. You can save time and money by using the emails because no training is needed. You won't need to employ copywriters to write emails for your affiliate marketing campaigns again. EZ Funnel Wizard is a tool that helps you build funnels quickly and easily. This built-in app can assist you in building custom funnels from the ground up. You can use the funnels to advertise different affiliate deals after you've developed them. Customized funnels could be more effective than pre-made funnels. No software copies will be coded or written by you. Support available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Both members of the 12-minute affiliate system have access to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, if you get lost or run into technical problems, you should contact the customer service representatives. You may also ask them technical questions about the device. You must go to the system's main dashboard and request a support ticket each time you run into a problem. Within a few hours, a member of the customer service team will contact you. All of their responses are right. That means they'll take care of almost every problem you're having. You can also use the FAQ section on the system's dashboard to find answers to your questions. Facebook group, private. You'll have access to a members-only Facebook community in addition to user support. You will engage with other participants, ask questions, provide assistance, share your successes and failures, seek inspiration and encouragement, and learn what works in the community. Devin also hosts free webinars where he shares tips and insights. The webinars will teach you about high-paying affiliate items as well as the most up-to-date affiliate marketing techniques. DFY, do-it-yourself, traffic. The 12-minute affiliate system provides do-it-yourself traffic to assist you in obtaining niche-targeted traffic. Your budget would have a huge effect on the amount of traffic you get. To take advantage of this sort of traffic, simply go to the main dashboard and pick Done For You traffic. Then, depending on your niche, press the Get Traffic button and pick the type of traffic you need. Choose the amount of traffic you want to produce based on your budget. Insert the affiliate page's connection and confirm the order. What is the price of the 12-minute affiliate system? The 12-minute affiliate system's developer presents 5 separate payment solutions. You have the option of paying $9.95 for a 14-day trial of the service. If you like the functionality, you can upgrade to the $47 monthly plan. Alternatively, you should make a one-time payment of $397. Some people want the Gold monthly membership, which costs $97 a month. A one-time charge of $797 is also eligible for the Gold monthly membership. The main distinction between the Gold and Basic memberships is that the Basic membership allows you to advertise goods from just one niche. The Gold membership, on the other hand, helps you to sell goods from 3 different niches. As previously reported, 12-minute affiliate only supports the niches of fitness, making money online, and personal growth. If you're new to affiliate marketing, the simple membership is a good place to start. The author provides a 60-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. So, if you don't like the method for any reason or it doesn't yield any results, you have the right to apply for a refund. Pros and cons of the 12-minute affiliate system. The benefits and drawbacks of this product are mentioned below. Advantages. The device is true, and ClickBank backs it up. There are 2 types of memberships available. The email system's automated reply helps you to concentrate on other items while still earning money. The activation process is simple and takes less than 12 minutes. It will assist you in earning commissions in the larger and more lucrative niches. It will assist you in quickly and efficiently creating a broad email list. It is suitable for both new and seasoned affiliate marketers. It's a smart way to market your partner items on social media. Drawbacks. The Gold membership package is very pricey. It only supports 3 niches. The traffic's origins are uncertain. Its sole aim is to promote ClickBank goods. Who should participate in this program? The 12-minute affiliate method is a good choice if you want to be your own boss. It's also perfect for those looking to supplement their income and others who want to work from anywhere. You can also purchase it if you want to start your own company or grow a passive income stream. Still, if you want to get out of debt as quickly as possible but can't devote more than 4 hours a day to a course, this program is a decent option. The software, on the other hand, is not a good fit for people who want to make money without putting in any effort or money. Furthermore, it is not suitable for those who do not want to take financial risks. If you are not willing to work, it will not make money for you. Conclusion of the 12-minute affiliate system. The 12-minute affiliate system will assist you in building a large email list to use in your marketing campaigns. It will also promote your landing page, helping you to gain more money. It's important to remember that the method does not guarantee results. If you're a student or have a full-time job, you can use it. The device will cost you $9.95 for a 14-day trial. Furthermore, the device comes with a slew of perks for him to enjoy. Furthermore, the framework provides various incentives to assist you in creating a profitable online company.